So, how is everyone's evening? Are you all enjoying this outing of ours?
Of course, I'm enjoying it.
I'm agree on her. Yeah, I'm enjoying it too. How about you, Dan? Oh, why are you sleeping? Like.
I don't like share subscribe.
How about you, Dad?
Mommy will have to pay up 5 pesos. She's not Tagalog.
We're all laughing. We're all laughing now.
Oh, 5.
Did you say nothing?
Okay.
I don't want to be a conversation starter right now.
Right now. You go, girl.
Share.
Shaggy has. Shaggy's there. You can't ask anything more.
Yes, Kuya. Kuya Dan.
Kuya Dan. Kuya Dan.
Kuya Dan.
I'm deaf. And also some.
Daddy, does your coffee taste good?
On the camera to daddy.
Kuya Daniel,
Yes.
does your coffee taste good?
Oh, really tastes good.
How about you, Kuya Dan?
Oh, you're talking to me now. Wait, what do you do?
Your coffee tastes good? Can you please elaborate?
Elaborating here. This coffee might be.
What?
Oh, mommy. Ask mommy.
Mommy, are you
You walk away.
Look up to Daddy. What do we say? Like what? Like what? Is not talking right now? No, you talk to them. What do you want to say? Anything.
They're both good.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
I don't have anything in my mind.
It's fine, man. You know, this is good.
This is difficult.
You know, bro, this coffee is so tasty talaga. You know, spot yun na naman, bro, ha? You have to pay me. Yeah.
Describe your cheesecake. No, your tiramisu
Describe
mango cheesecake.
Sheesh! This cheesecake.
Oh, game.
Continue.
Starting from the
Talk.
top.
Just talk, you know. We're just, yeah.
Oh,
We're
that's
always,
10 pesos.
and then to, yeah,
That's
work.
$10. Come on, pay up.
Mommy, where are you going?
Walking out.
You walk.
Wow.
Did you
You
want?
ask the code?
I gave you the code.
You have the code.
I gave you the code.
Where did you put the
The
code?
video code.
The code is here.
Here's the code.
There you have it.
What's the code for?
Time bomb. Hello, Ate Pinky. Yeah. Mo, please, Pinky.
Mo, please, Pinky.
Our English words are suffering. Yeah, just answer. Okay, yeah. What's the plan now?
Oh, daw.
I'm funny.
Less talk, less mistake.
That's why.
So, what's the plan?
What's the plan? Yeah, what's the plan? What's the plan?
Why did my hair hurt?
Look, there's a tons of plan.
Are we playing? For
Yeah.
Christmas?
Yes.
Are we?
Also on New Year.
Probably.
Probably. Probably. I like that one. Probably.
This is good. Toffee. Toffee na.
Let me see it.
What's the question there?
Oh, what's the ingredients? It has, I know it has upo.
Sabi niya.
Do you put sardines?
Yeah, I'm gonna cook miso with sardines. Then I'm gonna buy also upo. You know upo.
What's the point?
Upo.
Sit.
What? What you say? Upo, sit. Laughing, mom.
What's the word in English?
Upo.
Okay.
Oh, that is coming.
Oh, you ask daddy.
Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
Delegates niya, may
Oh, what
uli.
else? Miss
How about
Wally,
you?
what?
Okay, what else?
What are your plans for tomorrow?
What about the drink?
Isa lang yun ah. What are your plans for tomorrow?
Wait. You miss your wife? May matanong lang eh.
Come on, Buster. It's getting late.
Nakapag-construct sa CR. Sabagay, ilang minutes ka wala. Open web search na talaga sa CR. Nakakaligtas to eh. Nakakaligtas talaga to eh.
Where do you want to go?
Where you wanna go?
Oh, arcade.
It's
And
late.
How about Plaza?
Plaza?
Let's go to church.
What? Okay. For real? That's why
Let's go pray.
I'll probably sleep. I'll probably sleep now.
Together we pray together.
Let's go to
It's
church and
Sunday.
pray.
Yeah. I got it, girl.
No.
Where's daddy?
Daddy?
Where's daddy?
We'll visit Plaza now.
Of course, you mean.
Plaza, it's Sunday. Must be crowded now.
Must be crowded now.
We can go take a peek.
Okay, we can take a pic then. Is it on the way or?
I can take a pic though. I can take a bid.
Out of this way.
We can take a pic, yeah. Let's take a Yeah, but the last time we went there, they have no building parking
The last
lot.
time I checked, I'm single.
Baby, we have alone, you know.
Okay.
Bye.
Apple.
We'll see now. Okay.
You're done.
Yeah. No, she's not done. That's done.
I'm done.
I'm done.
Oh, here's daddy.
There you go, daddy.
We should go then. If you want to take a peek.
I'll bring this.
I'm so
Yeah, me too.